Imagine the intense quiet in a courtroom after weeks or even months of testimony, legal arguments, and careful deliberation. All eyes are on the door, awaiting a crucial moment that will determine the outcome of a trial. This moment, filled with anticipation and often profound impact, is when the court's decision is finally revealed. A court verdict announcement is the formal declaration of the decision reached by a jury or, in a bench trial, by the judge. This public statement is the culmination of the legal process, directly answering the core questions of a case, such as whether a defendant is guilty or not guilty in a criminal matter, or if a party is liable or not liable in a civil dispute. The core mechanism behind a verdict involves the careful application of law to the facts presented during the trial. In jury trials, jurors are instructed by the judge on the relevant laws and then retreat to a private setting for deliberation. Their role is to weigh the evidence, assess witness credibility, and determine the facts of the case, applying the specific standard of proof required, such as beyond a reasonable doubt for criminal cases or preponderance of the evidence for civil cases. The verdict is thus a collective judgment reflecting this rigorous process. When the jury reaches a unanimous decision, or the judge completes their findings, all parties are summoned back to the courtroom. The verdict is typically read aloud by the court clerk or the jury foreman, often with the jury standing. It is essential for everyone present to maintain decorum and respect the process, as the announcement carries significant legal weight and immediate consequences, potentially leading to further proceedings like sentencing or the determination of damages. Understanding specific terms is key to appreciating the verdict's impact. An acquittal means a criminal defendant is found not guilty, while a conviction means they are found guilty. In civil cases, a finding of liability means one party is legally responsible for harm to another, often leading to an award of damages. Sometimes, a jury cannot reach a unanimous decision, resulting in a hung jury, which can lead to a mistrial and potentially a new trial. After a verdict, a jury may be polled, where each juror confirms their individual agreement with the announced decision. Ultimately, the court verdict announcement serves as the definitive legal pronouncement of justice for the specific case. It brings closure to the trial proceedings, validates the extensive legal arguments and evidence presented, and sets the course for the next steps for all individuals involved, solidifying the principles of due process within our judicial system.